Hello friends, I am instructor Manda. Welcome back to the next chapter of Advanced Excel 2016. Well, in our today class, we will discuss about sum ifs function in Excel 2016. So friend, in our previous two class, we have discussed sum if function. So friend, the difference between sum if function and sum if function is sum if is used when we have one criteria and sum ifs is used when we have multiple criteria, means more than one criteria. In this example, we have more than one criteria. First we have name, then we have months. So here we have two criteria, which is more than one criteria. So here we will use sum ifs function instead of sum if function. So friend, here you can see that Ravi is repeating many times and January is also repeating many times. So Ravi also in January and February and March also. Here you can see that somebody Ravi is in January and February also and March also. So first we will copy this particular portion and then paste here. Then we will remove the duplicate. Alt EMC to remove the duplicates. Now we have removed the duplicates. Then number sum ifs function. First he is asking for sum range. So friend, this is my sum range. I will freeze my sum range or 4. Then criteria 1, criteria range 1. So friend, this is my criteria range 1. Name is my criteria range 1. Then I will freeze my criteria range 1. Then I want to find this name. This is my criteria in criteria range 1. Then I will also freeze this single dollar I want here. Then criteria range 2, month is my criteria range 2. Then I will freeze my month, then comma. Then he is asking for criteria 2 now. So this month is my criteria 2 and this criteria 2 I want to find criteria 2 range. Then I will also freeze this, then bracket close. 304. Then copy and paste down. So friends, this is how we are using sum ifs function in Excel. It is very easy to understand and it is very important and very useful in our day-to-day life. When we have huge data, when we are working in huge data in any department, either finance, HRs, marketing, procurement, or sales department, etc. So friends, you must be familiar with this function in Excel 2016. It is very important and very easy to understand. I hope friend now you understand the use of sum ifs function and sum if function as well in my previous class for sum if. Alright friend, this brings to me end of this lesson. I hope you enjoy watching this lesson. I am sure all your conclusion now get clear. I'm gonna be back with new lesson. Till then, take care and bye.